What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be discussing my top 3 investments for 2021. These are things that I started investing in last year and plan to continue investing in going forward because, quite honestly, these 3 things have changed my life. So cutting right to the chase, the number 1 investment which is at the forefront of my priorities for 2021 is the stock market. Without a doubt, learning about and getting involved in, and more importantly, taking the leap and making that first investment in the stock market has been a vital part of my financial journey so far. Now, when I say the stock market, I actually am referring to index funds or ETFs. I won't go into the difference between the two now, as I will save that for another video, but the gist of it, or what they do, is this. Both index funds and ETFs spread your risk by enabling you to buy into many companies at the same time within that one fund. And what this does is it diversifies the risk over the market. And so over the long term, you are far more likely to make money than if you had tried to pick and choose individual stocks. Personally, I reckon that the best stock market investment of 2021 would be to just buy into an index fund which tracks the S&P 500 or the total global market. Buying into the stock market is one of the most important financial decisions that you will ever make. And the earlier that you take that leap, the better. Right, on to the next best investment of 2021, and that, my friends, is investing in books about money. Wait, don't click away from the video just yet. Please let me explain. Understanding money and how it works is one of the most important skills that you can ever learn, but unfortunately, the majority of people don't ever take the time to learn it. Think of money as a tool. Now, like any tool, it is both useful but also dangerous if not handled properly. And the same way that people read the instructions before using tools, they need to read the instructions that will enable them to properly and effectively handle money. Personally, what I consider to be 2 great books on money are firstly The Richest Man in Babylon, and secondly Money, Master the Game. The first teaches you how to understand money and gives you timeless wisdom which literally anyone can implement in their life. It's also a very quick read and should be pretty easy to get into. The second is a much longer read and it goes more in-depth on topics such as investing, taxes and retirement. Both books, however, are extremely useful. Okay, so my last choice for the 3 best investments of 2021 is learning a niche skill. Personally, I did this on Fiverr by learning to record, edit and master voiceovers. I played into the specific niche of British baritone male voiceover artists, and what this did is it provided me with the opportunity to sell that as a service. Now, the important thing to note about that is the very niche category that it fits into. There's a quote that goes something along the lines of, "Don't try to be the best, try to be the only." And what that's essentially saying is that if you want to be successful, don't go into fields where there's a colossal amount of competition. Find something that very few people are doing, if any at all, and do that instead. Then whenever someone wants that thing, that skill, that product, they have to come to you because, well, you're the only one who does it. Now, in my case, I obviously wasn't the only British baritone male voiceover artist, as there are a few others out there, but the niche was still small enough that I was able to gain some traction. Over the course of this year, I hope to then refine that even more, and hopefully create a demand for something that only I can offer. So those are what I consider to be the 3 best investments for 2021. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I am genuinely interested to hear what you have to say. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then do be sure to give it a like. And if you would like to see more videos on making money, saving, investing, and building wealth, well then, do go ahead and subscribe. I upload videos every Monday and Friday, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one.